Rufa, sobrang nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng hipag. Sumakabilang buhay na ang hipag ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Alexa Yuchiko. Si Alexa ay asawa ng kapatid ni Rufa na si Elvis. Kahapon, July 28, 2024, sa kanyang social media account, malungkot na ibinahagi ni Rufa ang nasabing balita, kalakip ang ilang larawan nila ng hipag. In loving memory of Alexandra Joel Yuchiko Gutierrez, a loving mother, wife, daughter, and friend. She leaves behind her devoted husband, Elvis, and her two young daughters, Arya and Ezra. Please keep her and her loved ones in your prayers as we navigate this difficult time. We love you, Alexa. July 1, 1986 to July 27, 2024. I'm still trying to process and accept that you are no longer with us. It's so hard. Words cannot express how heartbroken and shocked I am. I love you so much, my beautiful, irreplaceable Alexa. You will forever be in my thoughts and in my heart until we cross paths again. I'll write more when able. Maaalalang kamakailan lamang ay humingi ng panalangin si Rufa dahil sa pakikipaglaban ng hipag sa sakit na leukemia. Samantala, sa sariling social media account, isang araw bago pumanaw, madamdamin ang pagbabahagi ni Alexa sa matinding pananalig sa Diyos sa pagdiriwang nila ng anniversary ng kanyang asawang si Elvis. Still in the hospital fighting my battle with leukemia. God is teaching us to be strong and courageous. Above all, today He is reminding us to be thankful for every breath and love the people around you. At Life of Guti, thank you, love, for loving me truly, in sickness and in health. Grateful that when there are days that I am weak, you are strong. Happy anniversary, truly, always, and forever, my love. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.